Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your twin flame, soulmate, love, no contact. What's going on? What's happening with your person? Love message reading, friends. Yes, so I will be pulling out my own love messages as you all requested, and this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends, and also make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, if you subscribe, like, and share, you get a chance to win a free reading. At the end of every month, one random lucky winner will be selected for the free reading by random name selector. So subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, friends. This is our way to give back for all the love and support. So today's choices are these beautiful cards. Let's take a moment and relax. And choose option number 1, this beautiful magician card. Option number 1. Option number 2, the beautiful Queen of Cups. Option number 3, the beautiful Two of Cups. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly go there and choose your option, or you can also pause the video, take more time to choose, and you can also choose different piles for different people, friends. Yes, so make sure to watch yours. So let's begin with pile number 1. Friends, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful magician, let us see what is going to happen in your connection. If you are with the twin flame, soulmate, anyone, let us see what's going on. The magician, this is a very powerful card. I feel like things are shifting and a very strong, in a strong and a positive way for you. The magician is very, very powerful. I feel a lot of energy with this card. So this is your advice. These are your extra oracle. I will also be pulling the love messages here. So let's see what are your cards. Wow, the lovers, this is a very, very powerful connection. You both are missing each other. I also feel that this is a powerful time of shifts happening in this connection. Maybe nothing is happening on the surface, I do feel, but you may not be in contact or nothing much is happening as such on the surface level, but a lot is happening behind the scenes in this connection. Your person is missing you. They are angels are also, universe is working, to make this connection better. Your hearts are being healed, you are being united, a lot of shifts are happening. Let's see the 9 of cups. Wow, you are this person's wish come true. You are their happiness, you are their joy. I do feel some happy moments are due to come your way in this connection. Something happy or something satisfactory will happen in the future. And also I feel this person is really, really missing you, missing the happy days they shared with you, or the happy times they had with you. So they want to come back and recreate these happy times with you. So this person is really missing you, and I do see that they are not happy. Probably they are just making a, I feel like this person smiles but they are not really happy because you are not there and they are not with you. So they actually feel a little, they are missing you, they are missing you, and they want to come back to their happiness. The Empress, this person really values you. They see you in your power, they see in you in your glory, and this person is like totally stunned and totally they are like, wow, that is how I also want to be. So they see your value, they are now realizing your value. If they didn't in the past, this person is shifting. This person, your twin flame, your soulmate, they are shifting, they are awakening. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, I think this person is being awakened or shifted to a place where they can give you solid commitment or make a new start, a strong new start again with you. I also feel this person and both of you are focusing on work right now, or healing self issues. Why? Because you are working on the foundations of this connection, like you have this tree, but you are working on the foundation so it can grow, right? So you are working on that, and your person is also working, and I feel they are being readied. Spirit is working to ready this person to offer you something, because you are here, you have advanced, you have reached a level of empress or emperor. They are also being worked. Hanged man, I do see you are not in contact, and it is a long distance relationship. It may be uh, a same-sex relationship for some of you. I feel something is stuck, you are a little frustrated with this person. I think little is a small word. You are very frustrated with this situation. You want change, you want things to move, but everything is stuck, nothing is moving. This person is not budging, they are not moving, they are not messaging you, they are not saying anything. Why? You are like, why? If this, you may have asked, if they see you as their happiness, why they don't message? Because they are being shifted. They are being hanged upside down, and all this nonsense is being taken away from them. This person has a lot of reasons of why this relationship won't work, but universe is saying, see, it can work if you see, or if you want to work. So they are being worked upon, and that is why it is necessary, that a lot is, you both are not in contact or in a separation, or even you talk on and off. So that is why things are stuck, because things are being worked, things are being aligned in this connection. This person's perception is shifting, how they view you is shifting, what they view, or how they view love is shifting. Also, a lot is healing in this connection. I think this person has hurted you. You both have hurted each other a lot. Ah, see, that's the confirmation. You both have hurted each other a lot. Why you did that? I mean, I think nobody wants to hurt anybody, but it just kind of happens that way. In the 3D world, things are complex. So, yeah, this person, and the past is healing, things are shifting, a lot of change is happening. In this connection, and things will get better ahead in the future, but with divine timing. Things have to happen at a certain phase. With the This is a very divinely guided connection. You and your person can't do much unless spirit allows it, and yes, spirit will allow forward growth, healing, a new commitment in this connection. The star, it is a fated connection. You both are star crossed lovers, you both are twin flames. Things will get better in this connection. You are already spiritually, and your souls are always together. You both can listen to each other, you both can feel each other, so you're getting closer actually. So yeah, look at that. Your creativity will increase, your self-love will increase. You also feel very vulnerable with each other, because look at that, your person is like, oh my god, I'm totally naked, I don't know what to do, I can't hide, I can't lie, I can't do anything with this person. So you both are transparent to each other, and that is what is exciting, and that is what is also causing them some fear. But I think you are working on it. The angels and the universe is working. Five of rods. Yeah, this person has some issues about fear. They have some issues, like they are scared of this connection, or they have so many doubts, like how will it happen, what will people say, or they had some issues about like commitment, also money, self-worth issues. I also feel you have a difference of opinion, arguments happening in the past, heated arguments, a lot of arguments. It's like you both can sometimes are like tigers fighting. You want to kill each other, but you want to love each other also. So it's a bit of a cat fight at times, but it is because this person was not ready. But it is going to shift, it is going to shift, it's already shifting, it's shifting. This person has a lot of fear, but now the angels, the universe is working. They are also working to shift that fear into positivity. Queen of rods, this person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be these sun signs. I feel this person is being motivated and inspired by you, and I do see they will take some action, or they will make a move towards you, but it will happen with divine timing. But I do see it will happen within 9 hours or 9 months, 9 days. Not months actually, it won't take that long. 9 hours from now, from this, anytime you watch this reading, to 9 days, this person is going to feel motivated. They are going to feel very connected, very drawn, very passionate towards you, and they will be coming towards you. Let's see what else. You also have to do some work, heal this difference of opinion. You are also like, Do I hate them? Do I love them? Do I hate you? Do I love you? It's like that. Let's see. Unfinished Symphony number 10. Yes, things are not over yet. Things are not over. Things are going to get better. Things are going to shift. This person is being awakened. They are trying to manifest you. You both will manifest each other back in a better way, in a more balanced kind of a way. What else is happening in this connection? By the book 11:11, yes, you have to go by the, by the pace it is going now. It is frustrating, it is slow. um, you are taking, this person is taking baby steps towards you, and you both will have to do that. It is like, why this slow pace when there is so much of passion, there is so much of love, creativity? Why this slow pace? It is necessary to create a foundation. It is necessary for a better future, so that you stay for longer, eternally for each other. Round and round, number 25. This 25 is important, I feel, as birth dates or something. Maybe this person's age is 25 or 11. I feel, they will come out of this round and round. They are stuck in somewhere, your person, and both, maybe you are also stuck, but things will shift, friends. Things will shift. Don't worry. Let us see what else. Awareness, number 13. Look at that. Yeah, this person's awareness is shifting regarding you. They are shifting, they are changing, they are being awakened. Congratulations. And look at that, nurture. Beautiful. It is time to focus on yourself, friends. It is time, the more you enjoy what you do, your creativity, yourself, your love, self-love, your health, and the more better this connection will get. And I do see that. Stay positive. This person loves you. You both love each other. This is a good connection. It will get better. They will come towards you. So it is time to stay positive about this connection. If you hate them or something, try to resolve it within you. Let's see the advice. Emotions are running high. Super moon. Wow. So definitely this person is going all gaga over you. They are like, oh my god, how can I do this? Oh my god, how did I lost her? Oh my god, how did I lost him? So this person is going all the way. You both are feeling a lot of intensity of this connection. So it is nice. It's nice. Let's see some another more advice for you. Any action? Oh my god. So we're gonna take it all. Inner peace. Yeah, focus on your inner peace, friends. Something has happened which has caused you to feel imbalanced, or maybe at a lack of peace. So it is time to focus on your inner peace. It will help you. Freedom. Yeah, this person will be free from all the barriers they put, all this handman energy. They will get free from it. Don't worry. Freedom is coming. Let's see, there were other two cards also that fell out. Release. I do feel you need to release the negativity about this connection, the judgments, the hate, all those things. You both need to release, and you both need to be free. Clear the energy, and going forward. And yes, that will help you to make this connection go forward. And I do see things are already aligning. Things have already started to move forward in this connection. So yeah, congrats. Let's see some love message, and then we're gonna look at that. Wow, trust. The situation is calling for you to have faith. Yeah, I think this situation has really tested your patience. It has really tested you. Like, it has really tested your faith. It's been taking ages. I know that it's taking ages for this person to make a move, but it's now the timing. You're very close. So trust. Don't lose hope. Stay open. Stay focused on yourself. What this person wants to say. Let's see that. Okay. This person has changed. They are very close to coming towards you. They are changing at a very rapid space. And I see this Ace of Pentacles. I keep seeing this. So something is going to shift. I feel defeated and hopeless. now. Yeah, they don't know how to come back to you, how to make things better, they are a little confused what to do now. Soul contracts are working. Yeah, the divine timing is at work. There are things they need to fulfill, you also need to fulfill, but I think they are already, the contracts are already ending or very near to completion, and things will get better. Third party alert. So there may be some, past issues, or maybe work issues, or maybe career, money, family, religion, culture that has affected this connection. I'm not the same person you know me as. See, they are different. They have changed. They are changing very rapidly. There is so much I never said to you. You are super cute. Oh my god, this person loves you. And I fear losing myself or my control. See, I told you, fear is a very big thing for this person. Very big thing. The universe is working. They are also working to shift their fear into dear. I fear losing myself or my control. And let us talk one more time and make things better. See, this person want to talk to you and start probably as friends again, just to keep things peaceful, and then go to the next step one by one, by the book. I am at a dark place now. I do feel they were at a dark place. Now they are healing, nurture, freedom, release. They are working on healing things. Good news is on its way. So yeah, stay positive. Good shifts are coming. I know you are not telling me the truth. I think you tell this person you hate them or you don't love them anymore. I think they know that you do love them, you do care for them. They can feel your love, they can feel your affection, even though it is coming out, or you're not you're not talking to them, or you're like, I don't want to see your face, but they are like, I know baby, you love me. It's very cute. It's a very cute connection. So I hope you enjoyed this reading. Make sure to subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And I'm speaking low because my throat is a bit sore. So yeah. Hi, beautiful angels. So if you chose option number 2, let us see the Queen of Cups. What is going to happen for you? What's happening in this connection? No contact, twin flame, soulmate relationship. Let's see, this is your advice, and these are your extra messages. These are your love oracle. Let's see in my own messages. Let's see what your cards. Ooh, starting with the devil. This person is there is a lot of obsessive energy in this connection. You may be feeling like this person is toxic, or there is too much focus on passion. I also feel that there is this pattern in this relationship, that like when you are running after this person, they run away from you, and when you are not interested, this person comes towards you. It is like it is a very intense connection. You both the feelings are very strong, mutual, but it is like, somewhere your person is like, no, I don't want to talk, no, I can't do this. They are very strong about things. Even you have becoming very strong about your reactions to this person, or how they feel. Something is going on. Maybe they are depressed, or maybe they have like, they can't leave the work, they can't leave their ego, they can't leave but there is something is keeping this person stuck. But there is a lot of love, this person can't leave you and can't change the things. It is like this person has love and fire, so they have to keep both, but they can't choose one. They have to be with the fire, but if they are with the fire, it means they might burn you, it means they might burn themselves. Something is going on. Let's see what else. Four of Pentacles. Yeah, this person is like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. It's frustrating. They are very unhappy. This person is trying to get out of a situation they are, they have put themselves in, but they can't. They are gripped by fear. They are gripped by poverty, maybe. Like, their thoughts are, their beliefs are causing them a lot of pain. Like, see, it is different for all of you. Like, this person is like, maybe they are married, they are like, I can't leave it. Maybe it is money they are running after, and they are like, I can't leave money because money is everything. But they are like, oh, I need her also, I need him also. So they are like, they want to keep both things together, and it's becoming impossible for them now to be with you and to keep the other thing also. Maybe it is money, maybe it is religion, maybe it is culture, maybe it is their fear, something is happening. Maybe it is their health issues, anxiety, depression, or some sort of alcoholism, substance issues, something. They are like, I can't, they're scared. I can't do this, I can't do this, I can't do this, I can't do this. I keep hearing that. Ten of Pentacles, but they want this happy family with you. They want, I feel that maybe this person is married, or they choose to get married, or they were married when they met you. So it is like maybe you have kids, or you both were once married. So they are like, I feel this person chose somebody else for marriage, or I also feel you both were once married and you might be, one of you have a kid. Maybe this person or you have it, and they are like, they see this family with you. You are their ultimate home, but they can't do anything about it. They are like stuck. They don't know what to do. They want to be with you, but they are like, I can't lose my 4 pentacles because I don't know if I will have this 10 with you or not. So something is making them like they are not at a good place, not at a good place right now. They are stuck. They are under fear. They are also under anger. They might not be talking, or they might be very aggressive, like either aggressive or like, I don't care, very selfish. So something is going on. Nine of Swords, again, anxiety, depression. They are worried. They are worried like they have lost you. They are worried like, hey, I can't get out of this situation. I need help. But they refuse any help. They are not letting anyone in. So it's like frustrating. Maybe it is their family, or maybe this person has closed everybody. Like, I don't want to talk because I'm in third party. I'm with someone else. It could be a family. I also feel this person has recently lost someone, like father, grandparents, maybe a pet or something. So they are going through a lot, and they want to struggle alone, even though they are missing you, they want to share to you. Six of Cups, they definitely are thinking about you. They see you as this ultimate, this home, this friend, this person. They can share their heart. They miss you. They want you back. You may be childhood friends, or you know them from a long time, 6 years, 7 years, 9 years, 11 years, and you both were destined to make this happy home, but something happened. Something is going on, and they are like, they want to be with you, but they are like, I can't be with you, I can't be with you, because there is something else going on, this devil issue. The Knight of Rods, maybe this person is Aries, Leo, Sag, or they are a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you both could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I see a lot of earth and passionate energy. Maybe you see this person as a Casanova, or like someone who is very addictive, or somewhere you find this connection is toxic to you in some ways, and they feel it. They know that because it is their own energy causing that shift in it. But I think you are you are a guiding light for this person. They are getting better. I see they want to take action towards you. They want to fix this situation, and they want to fix their issues also. The Tower, oh my god, oh my god. I think this person is really, your twin flame is resisting a lot of work they need to do right now. So something is going to cause them a rapid, sudden change, because they are not learning right now. They are resisting with every fiber in their body and their heart and mind, and that is why something is going to come crashing down on them. Some belief systems are gonna crash. Maybe their marriage, maybe they will face some financial losses, whatever they are holding on to, because they don't want to let it go, and in place let you in. That is going to crash. That is going to crash. Some rapid awakenings are going to happen, whether they like it or not. Some major changes are going to happen in this connection. Maybe you already had this tower moment, like this person and you were together, and they got married to somebody else. It caused a huge shakeup in you and your person. I do feel major changes are coming. I think you have went through this awakening. You have went through this awakening when they got married. But now this person is also going to go through a sudden tower movement, an awakening. So get ready, friends, get ready. And they are resisting. They are resisting. Like, no, my hands are full. I don't want that love. I want it, but I won't make space for it. So God is like, I'll make space for you, baby. The Queen of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You can be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or this person. I feel maybe. This person's the other person is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sag. I do feel, friends, clarity is going to come. Mental clarity is going to come. This person is like, they have millions of beliefs. They are like, hey, I can run away, hey, I can do that, I can replace you, I can do that. And it's not something they want to do for you, or they are, it's just a pattern. They are just stuck on it. They want to change it. It's just a repeating pattern they are stuck in. Mental clarity is going to come. If they resist it, it will happen on its own, or they can make it peaceful. They can themselves try to change their views, their judgments, their mind, but it is going to happen. Big shifts. Ace of Cups, yes. A big shift is coming in this person's life, a big shift in your twin flame soulmate's life. Also, you are being awakened to this love, to this new start. Get ready, some powerful shifts will happen. Maybe they have married. I feel our viewers have already gone through this shift, but now it is the turn of this person, your person's turn to awaken to this Queen of Cups energy. Like, hey, I have emotions and I will not keep them away. I love you and I will say it. Mentally, this person is going through something. They will break free of it. Don't worry. Let's see some other cards. Joy. I think it is necessary for you to focus on joy. If you are, maybe joy is a name, I feel, for some of you. It's an important name. Maybe your name, this person's name, their children's name, their family member's name, Joy. I feel, friends, that you are also feeling depressed, anxiety, and upset because they got married, they left you. But it is time to stay positive. It is time to focus on the joy, because ultimately this person is going to come towards you. Yes, that's your destiny. Look, the pillars will unite. They are standing together. They may be far apart, but they are still there with each other, looking at each other. So focus on joys. I would say listen to some music, stay happy, listen to Magic Wednesday Tarot, stay happy. And look at that divine light. This person is being guided. This person is being guided. Look at this harp here, harp here. Music is important. You both have a strong destiny together, and this person is being awakened. If they resisted, they will be awakened by force, by universe. Big changes will happen for you and this person in the future, so get ready. And I do see the coming changes are really going to cause a shift in your connection. Let's see some other messages from this person. What's happening in this connection, or what will happen? Oh my god, I dropped a card. I will pick it up. Leg up. Yeah, this person needs to, they are being shifted, they are being accelerated. No matter how much they resist it, it is going to happen. Number 34 is important for them. I do see they have a lot of parent issues, mother issues, father issues, inner child issues. They are all going to heal. This person will have a rude awakening or a soft awakening. I see it is a rude because you also went through the same. They will also have to go through the same. Building blocks, number 28. 28 is also important. Yeah, see, this connection is growing further and further. You will grow. Things will get better. You have to. It will happen on its own. No one can do. It is happening. It's already started. Chaos and conflict. Yeah, it is going to cause a lot of confusion in that person's life. So they are like, oh my god, what happened? I mean, like, they are building a castle of cards. It's gonna fall, and they are like, what? What just happened? What just happened? So get ready. Something is big is gonna shift, and it is going to bring you both closer. It is destined. Stay flexible. Things are not yet set in the stone. You have to be flexible. I do see that you are not in contact right now. You're very frustrated with them. They may reach out to you, but you may not want to talk to them. I would say stay flexible. Nothing is yet set in the stone. It can go any way. They will come back. Yes, they will. Some major shifts will happen. Major shifts, and it's hard to say right now what exactly will happen. Let's see some other advice. Oops. My god, this is insane. You have another enlightenment card. And where is that? Divine light, enlightenment. My god, God bless this person. They can't run away from now this awakening. Enlightenment, divine light. This connection is gonna shake up. This person is being shaken up. They have to. It is their destiny. They are being shaken up. So yeah, get ready. Good things are coming in this connection. And it is destined. Some shifts will happen. Any other thing, and stay focused. That is why it is necessary for you to focus on love. Oh my god. Look at that. I said focus and the card jumped out. Focus. Oh my god. This is a beautiful time to do the reading. Look at that. Stay focused, friends. Stay focused. Stay positive. Stay in your joy. Where is that card? Here it is, joy. It is necessary. It is necessary for you to stay focused, happy, and because shifts are going to happen. Nothing is permanent. Everything is temporary here. I mean, the shifts will happen. So let's see your advice. A new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. Congratulations. Look, the scales, karma, past life, destiny. Things will shift. A new start will happen. Finances and career, maybe this person is, I told you, they are too obsessed with money. They are too obsessed, like, no, I have to study, I can't be with you. If I be with you, I will don't pass my exams. If I be with you, it will affect my work. I'm working all the time. I'm working to make my career. I want to be famous. So this person is like have 100 reasons to run away from you, and God is like, boom, crash, now be happy. Love yourself first. That's your advice. Your self respect makes you more romantically attractive. You have to love yourself, friends. I told you, you have to be in the vibration of love and joy to make this thing work. And let us see some messages from your person. See what cards are jumping out. Synchronicity is getting amazing. See what card jumped out. Money, career, ego, and family. Look at that. It's beautiful. I told you, money, career, ego, family, all those things are coming in between you. Actually, they are choosing that, but it's gonna change. Good news regarding your love will come to you soon. See, good news is coming. Third party alert. Yeah, there is the third party clarified above. I know you are not telling the truth. I think this person is like. I think this person is like you are. I think this is your card. Like they are not telling you the truth. What is happening is something else. What they are showing or pretending. This person loves you, but they don't want to take the responsibility. I'm at a dark place now. Devil, yes, of course they are. Our connection is growing in the 5D. See, this is a confirmation. Major shifts will happen. This person is being awakened. Family and karmic ties. I do feel they are married, or they have a child, or they were married once. A lot of issues. Maybe they have a commitment with family or career. I am too tired to try now. Yeah, they are exhausted. The songs are calling me and you. Music is an important part of this connection. I feel you don't love me anymore. Well, this person fears rejection. They have a lot of fears like rejection, self worth, money. If they come towards you, what will happen? Their career will suffer. If they come towards you, their marriage will crumble. If they come towards you, what will world say? What will people say? So all that is going to shift because a new romantic cycle is going to start for you. Only thing you need to do right now is focus on happiness, your joy, and your pride. Focus on that and make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye. Those who chose option number 3, this beautiful Two of Cups card, let us see what is going on in your connection, twin flame, soulmate, any relationship, friends. Let's see, this is your advice. These are your extra oracle messages. Let's see what is going on. 3 of Cups. Wow, this person is really feeling a lot of love, lot of affection, lot of friendship vibes with you. I feel this person is like, yes, I want to be with you. I want to be, they really talking, they are also talking to their friends about you, about this connection. So a lot is happening, a lot of positivity. Yeah, I also feel they are very excited when they think about you. Oh, Ace of Rods, look at that. This person is feeling a lot of passion for you, a lot of affection, a lot of attraction, and maybe they recently messaged you or they saw your picture. It really made them very, excited, happy. It brought a lot of memories. I also feel they keep checking out your pictures or you have pictures with them, so they look at that, feel happy, feel excited. A new thing is starting. A new phase is going to start in this connection because they are feeling very positive. The justice, I do see balancing has been done. It's already done in this connection. Some balance is being done and it has already happened. I do feel maybe this person has put you in third party, their friends affected this connection, their family. I do feel cousins, etc., affected this connection. Karma, something happened, and you are like, when is this going to be balanced? Yes, it will happen. It will happen. Things will come in balance, and I do see already things have shifted. The ball is, they are seeing now you in a very positive light, in a favorable. If I do see, I don't know why, I feel people were telling them that you are not the right person for this person. This is not the right thing to do because you have the Two of Cups. So people see you as a couple. People see you as this beautiful, amazing love, and they are like jealous or they are like insecure. They are like, no, this is not the one, this is not the one. But no longer can your person deny this, and something is being worked. I think those who stood against you on this connection, they are being given a sign of warning like, hey, what are you doing? Four of Rods, you are actually twin flames. Yes, 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 you are twin flames. And this person is your twin flame and your soulmate, and you, things are getting better in this connection. Four of Rods, marriage, commitment, and balance, structure, stability coming back. Seven of Cups, this person is a little confused how to approach you, talk to you. They are thinking a lot, but they are not sure how to make things, how to get back, reach out with you. I also feel this person is, whom should I listen? A lot of people are talking about this connection. A lot of people. And they are like, whom should I listen? To myself, to the other people. So they are like a little confused. Page of Swords, this person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You both could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Or you could be, I feel, a strong Scorpio energy. So they could be Scorpio, Pisces, or Cancer. I feel like they are a little scared of you. This person is like, oh my god, if I come back, they will cut me. I will have to hear a lot. So they are a little scared of you because, like, oh, what you did, of what they did to you in the past. Five of Swords, yeah, they blocked you, they ditched you, they caused a lot of bitching happening. I see a lot of people and they believed it. So you are like, why? What happened? And they were like, I'm gonna show you who the boss is. So they are a little scared of you, but they do feel very passionate. They do understand this connection in a better way now. The world, maybe they are in a different part of the city or country, and I also feel they are distant from you right now. But there is some distance between you and them right now, emotionally, physically, mentally, but they are going to bridge it. There is passion on both sides, there is the same equal appreciation on both sides, and things will shift. I do see something is going to shift. Page of Cups, yes, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I told you, a Scorpio, very strong Scorpio energy. This person is going to propose you, they are going to message you. Something is shifting, something is shifting. There is age difference also. Either they are very young or they are very immature, they listen to a lot of people, but now it's shifting, it's shifting, and they're gonna message you. The Five of Cups, a lot of missing. This person is obsessed about you, they miss you a lot, they regret what they did. I think you want this person that, hey, don't listen to others, but they were like, no. This person could also be from a law, they are a lawyer, a judge, a doctor, or a very rich family or something. So that energy is also there. Let's see what else. Strength. Yeah, this person is gaining the strength. They are gaining the wisdom about this connection, deep understanding about this connection. I feel uh, after this gap between you and them, this separation, they realized that people don't always say the right things, people don't always mean well, so they are realizing what they did, they are gaining the strength, and they are understanding this connection better, who is on their side, who isn't. And responsibility, see, this person is becoming responsible. They are very young, or they were very young or impulsive or very emotionally unsure what to do, but now they are gaining responsibility, they are gaining wisdom, and they are changing, and they are seeing you, they are observing. So this is a very positive reading, very, very positive. Let's see what else will happen. Wow, never ending story number 37. Yeah, I do feel something, is stuck. Like they keep repeating the same mistake over and over again. They are bad at making decisions, or they are bad in, following up. Like if you message, they don't follow up. So, blocks, ghosting, trust issues. They are working on it. The tribe, number 8, soul tribe, soul family. You have a lot of common friends or family, and a lot of people talking about this connection, but you are all a part of a tribe, and things are going to shift. It is a lesson you all have to learn, and I do feel you have learned it, your person has learned it, the other people will be facing their karma soon. So big shifts between the words number 3. This person needs to make a choice. They have a choice. They can choose you or the other things, or listen to the other people. They have a choice. I do see them making the right choices. Yes, taking action towards you. Look at that. Yang, they're gonna take action. They're gonna make a move towards you. Number 1, they're gonna feel very positive. So good things are happening. Let us see some advice for you. I think they are they are trying to maybe surprise you. Maybe their birthday is coming, they are sad, maybe it's right now, maybe your birthday is coming 1st of January or something. Something is happening, it's planning. They are planning for something. Openness, stay open, stay clear, stay bright, you know things will shift. Already they are shifting. Flexibility, yeah, this is not a time to keep rigid views about this person, like hey you did that, hey you did that. No, stay positive about future. Flexible. Diligence, yeah, you're working very hard. Pile number 3, you're working very hard, and you have worked a lot on this connection also. Things will get better. Your hard work will pay off. Karma is with you. Saturn and Jupiter, they are with you. Relax, enjoy, friends, enjoy. You have done your work in this connection. Enjoy. It is now their time to do all their work. Take responsibility, act on your behalf, and take action towards you. Enjoy, have some chill time, because you're gonna get busy with this person ahead. Let's see some love messages for you. Retreat. It is time to disconnect from the world. Yeah, you have to keep it away from people around you, this connection. And I think your person has realized it, because it was a mistake to allow others to interfere in this connection. They have understood it. Or keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. I do see that, you see them, you want them maybe to be a different person, or you both have certain expectations with this each other. But you have to keep an open mind, stay flexible, let go of expectations. Oh my god, let your friends help you. See, I told you, friends are affecting this connection. It's big. Oh, it's a big problem. Let your friends help you. I think you should decide who are your friends and who are with you and against you. Religious factors, your love life is influenced by your upbringing and spiritual path. Yes, because of religion, culture, and some other issues, people are saying this and that. Soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate. People will talk, they always talk, but don't focus on that. Focus on yourself. Let's see what they want to say to you. I'm thinking a lot about you lately. See? confirmation. They are very much about missing you, thinking about you. I need more time to think and process this. I think they are planning to make a move, and they want to make it in a right way so they don't offend you, or get make you angry or upset. Or they are planning is the right word. I'm tired of fighting. Yeah, they can't fight the people around them, and or maybe they don't want to fight. They have taken a back step from all the friends and people telling them all this gossip, bitching. I know I was a jerk, but can you forgive me now? See, they know they believed on some stupid people. I miss our deep conversations, all night talks. My soul needs time to heal. Through music, art, meditation, dreams, we talk. And can you hear me? See, they are like, I'm talking to you. Can you hear me? So keep an open mind. This person is trying to tell you through signs, because what they can't say yet to you in actions. We will meet very soon. Keep the hopes high. Very soon they are coming. They'll take action. I don't know why you are so mad at me. You're like, why you keep listening? I keep telling you, but you listen to everybody. I did not mean to hurt you. So they say they are very clear about things. You're super cute. Solar plexus issues, they have self-confidence issues, like they are still a little nervous. They are like cold feet. What will I do? How will I do? How will I do? I'm scared of the intensity of this connection. We will meet soon. Stay ready, my love. Oh, it's a very positive. They are super clear on what they want. I can't tell you how I live without you every day. I want to protect you and be there for you always. Oh, that's so sweet. It's a very perfect reading. I think it's beautiful what they want to do and actions they will take. So make sure to subscribe, Magic Men's Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye.